How to add the Sunflare expands animation in CapCut Mobile. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cinematic light reveal effect in CapCut step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials. First, open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Now, open your project and make sure your video clip is placed at the very beginning of the timeline. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now select the In tab to control how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Sunflare Expands, or just search the animation. Tap on Sunflare Expands to apply the animation effect to your clip. You'll now see a bright cinematic flare expand across the screen and reveal your video underneath. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the animation plays. A shorter duration makes the effect faster and more dramatic. A longer duration creates a smoother and more dramatic buildup. Now preview the animation and adjust the timing so it matches your video and music properly. And that's it. That's how you can add the Sunflare Expands animation in CapCut Mobile easily.